Hi, this is Robert Morris with KO PROPO America, and we will show you how to remove and install a new coaxial antenna for your 2.4 GHz receivers. What you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. There are two tabs on this side. This is the button side. Makes it a little easier so you don't lose the button. Go ahead and stick this into this slot. Push down, don't push in too hard. You want to hold this position open with your fingernail if you can. And then the other side, same thing, push in the tab. Make sure not to push too hard. The case pops right open. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over so that you don't lose the button. And the case removes. We have the board here. You can go ahead and just hold it by the pins. Try not to squeeze too hard. And you just rock it back and forth. And it comes out of the case, exposing the antenna. Removal of the antenna. Let's go ahead and straighten it out. It clips in, so you can just pull straight up, pops right off. Next, in order to reattach the antenna, just the reverse sequence. Make sure it's lined up on the female side there. Snaps right in. You want to rotate the antenna so you create a little loop, like so. Go ahead and bring the antenna grommet back in here. And this should be right here, positioned, ready to go back into the case. Flipping it over, we'll go ahead and insert this back into the bottom of the case. Make sure the grommet is lined up in the case. Go ahead and push the board back in. Flip this over. Set it up for the case, the top case. Now you want to make sure that the bind button that's right here is lined up to where the setup button is here. Go ahead and install it. I like to put the opposing side of the button of the case in first. Make sure those are lined up nicely in the top of the case. Come back around, everything's set up. Squeeze it, pops right back in. You flip it over. Make sure you have nice action on the setup button and that it's not binding.